We often wonder that how these terms are related and what is the exact difference between them. So, heat is the form of energy, just like any other energy. Heat is a form of energy and it flows due to the difference of temperature between two bodies from high to low temperature. But it is general energy. But when it comes to the total heat content of the system, that particular reaction we are considering a system, that total heat content of the system is known as enthalpy. And while internal energy is a sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of the molecules that are part of reaction, for example, the motion of molecules, the forces of attraction between them, they all contribute to internal energy. So the sum of all types of energy that are originally the part of reaction are internal energy, and if we are adding heat by some means of pressure volume work or heating the system, then the sum of that heat and internal energy of the system is termed as enthalpy of the system. But in higher levels, the enthalpy is not enough because there is something called Gibbs free energy which tells us about the spontaneous or non-spontaneous reactions. So before discussing free energy, let's talk about entropy. Entropy is the randomness in the system that is inevitable. It is seemingly harmful, but actually it is contributing to the reaction, because if you are sitting in your room, you have no chances of collision with that car. But if you are randomly running on the road, your chances of collision increases. Although in that process you have lost some of your energy, but it has increases the chances of your reaction. So entropy is a randomness in the reaction in which our sum of the energy is lost, and that energy which is left after that entropy is actually the free energy which has now freely available for that reaction to occur.